Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter K. Sound of the letter K is K. King. K-I-N-G. King. Sound of the letter K is K. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Sound of the letter K is K. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is mostly found in Australia. Kid. This is goat's baby. K-I-D. Kid. Sound of the letter K is K. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. K sound. And what's this? Key. K-E-Y. Key. K sound. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Guess what's this? K. Koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. Kitten. This is cat's baby. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. K-I-T. Kit. K-I-N-D. Kind. K-E-E-N. Keen. K-E-E-P. Keep. K-I-C-K. Kick. K-I-D-N-E-Y. Kidney. K-A-B-A D kabaddi. Kit, kind, keen, keep, kick, kidney, kabaddi. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video till end. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.